we need to make some changes in our shopping cart. If the user is an admin user and if there are items in square feet, we need to display them in the shopping cart. So for that, let me stop the application here and we'll close all the tabs. We'll go to shopping cart. Let's open up the cart controller. We have the index action method where we are retrieving everything from the shopping cart. Here we are passing the product list to the view. Before we pass it to the view, we need to populate the square feet in the product list based on the values inside our session for shopping cart. So we'll have to add a for each loop and we will iterate through all the items in the shopping cart. We'll call it cart obj in shopping cart list. What we want to do is we want to have a new product. We'll call it prod temp. We will find this product from our list of product that we already retrieved right here. If I wanted, I could have retrieved it from the database with for each loop, but that would be inefficient because we'll be making 10 different database calls if there are 10 products in the shopping cart. So we'll use the prod list and we'll do .first.default. We'll say u goes to u.id is equal to the cart object with the product ID. With that, for each product in our shopping cart, we will get the prod temp. Then what we can do is prod temp dot, we have the temp square feet. We will set this to cart object dot square feet. Once you make that change, we have to create a new IEnumerable that we need to send to the view. So I can copy this and I can call this as prod temp list. And I'll make the first one as a temporary list and this one will be the final list. So right here where we have the prod list, we will change this from prod list to prod list temp. Then in here we will have the prod list, and what we will do is once we have a product with the square feet, we will add that to our prod list. We'll say prod list.append and we will be adding the prod temp. This prod temp now has the square feet. This variable is unassigned and we can change this IEnumerable to a list. Once we do that, rather than append, we can just use add here. And on top of that, we'll make it a new list of product. So with this, our new prod list will now have the square feet that we can display inside the cart controller. So you can see we had to make few changes inside our index action method to retrieve or create a new list with the temporary square feet populated from our shopping cart. Let's make changes in our index view to display the temp square feet in the next video.